Hey everyone, look out for our St. Vincent video coming soon on Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and share.
People, you see this? And my jumper go jump out of the plane, yeah? I put on the parachute then in a few minutes. Ready? Very cool. Coconut water for the daughter.
It is nice.
Exactly. That's the thing there. Candy man. Never tell a lie.
Coconut water for your dad.
Remember that. Make you smarter, baby. Hey, when I do a blood clot prison, world so pretty. Come on, the man. St. Vincent. What do you mean? Beautiful island. Look, beautiful island. I mean, baby apart.
Oh, I didn't realize it was
Yeah,
it's a
man.
record.
It's a tape. Coastal Adrenaline is the tour. Oh. People, this look like a regular rock. It's not. This is a volcanic rock. You send the lava flow to the volcano, and after about 2 days, when it hard up, it make the crystal looking something. So
where you pick this up? Where you pick this up?
at the top of the volcano,
How long it take you to get up there?
well, 2 hours for go up, and 3.5 hours for come down, because I'm tired. You see me, why feel come down? Yeah. So, you see them? Yeah, man.
Before you get ever see anything like this.
Again, alright. You're not going to see the volcano in Europe again. And we're there with Marlon Samuel the Great. Iconic. Super trainer Bobel. He might kill me off people. Team Coke and Spirit. It's not Buchanan. But yeah, man. As I usually say before I end the video, what they under your nose? I'm out.